How to stand out in tech hiring. The landscape of job opportunities within the software engineering sector has undergone significant transformations in recent years, driven largely by the rise of vibe coding. This innovative approach to software development emphasizes collaboration, creativity, and effective communication alongside traditional coding abilities. As organizations seek to improve project outcomes and enhance team dynamics, there is an increasing demand for expertise that extends beyond mere technical prowess. Employers today are actively looking for candidates who not only possess strong programming skills but also excel in interpersonal communication and team collaboration. Professionals who can blend technical expertise with a strong aptitude for communication are likely to stand out in an increasingly competitive job market.